Good morning everyone, it's a new beautiful day for the first time in 2 weeks. The sun is shining. Wow, can you believe that? What a great way to start the day. We're gonna see what is around in this area and explore it for a bit before we have to go back to have breakfast. It's a random spoon, a random Chinese spoon scooping soup back in the 1800s, 1700s, whichever year this was bought. You know what, maybe even thousands of years ago, all of these emperors had soup with that specific soup spoon. Look at the colors are so magnificent. Wow. I love the blues. We got two little friends at the back coming as well, helping us tell the history of these places and what happened here. I think in these places there are still some families living here. Looks like it. It's not completely abandoned. Maybe that was an old well in the 1500s. Wow, I have to cross to go inside. I don't want to go inside because I'm not sure how stable these planks are. So we'll just check it out from here. Outside. House number 30. 31. Okay, let's head back and then see what the rest of the day holds for us. There's our little friend telling us to get going. We start our morning with porridge and egg. What's this, Marie?
Made from rice.
Rice. Looks good.
Oh, good.
Good. Okay, good. And have a look at this. Our room is just there, first floor. You have the second and the third floor. So, wow, so a whole family stays in there. Wow, great. Let's take off. We arrived at a street that we didn't expect. Well, a street that I didn't expect. It was very unique and, well, just look for yourself. Hello. I hope they're ready now to put on a show for us. see now most of it has already faded away, but it's still so loud to see all of this. I can definitely tell you this is not for everyone. The smoke, the fireworks. I don't think I will come when I get it. Wow. What a great start to the morning. There's gonna be more. Just wait and see. We are arrived at the special location, and this is what we can see. This doesn't look like a lot, but to me, it's really special. They are all of the people, and they are going to join us on this little adventure. What kind of tea is this?
Red tea.
Red tea.
红茶。
这个是
Red
应该算红茶吧？这个是岩茶，岩茶
也算红茶。
What is 岩茶？
应该乌龙
绿
茶，
茶 the name
所以乌龙茶。
the tea name.
岩茶是
Don't be shy. After having tea, we sat down to have probably one of the best meals that we've ever had on this trip. Look at the wide variety of food and the taste. Wow, it was just magnificent.
来，新年快乐，新年快乐，新年快乐！感谢我们吃到了一个圣的午餐。
This man wants to offer me some more rice wine. I already had some already.
对啊，哇，好棒啊！
I feel okay, but
真的很好吃哎，真的很好吃
to
哦。
offer me more.
煎饼啊，好吃吗？
好吃，非常好吃。
我要让他学中文。硬啊！
Oh, boo.
So good, right?
So good.
这个哪一边去？
Okay.
这个
我就知道他喜欢吃这个东西。
我这里喜欢吃这个啊。
I know you will like.
What is this called? 年糕。
年糕。Very good.
Very good. Rice cake.
要不要给你打包的？对对对。打包打包。
我要打包打包打包。打包能 take away。
打包。
好，谢谢。打包。
打包。打包。
打包。
可以 ，OK。
打包带走。
对，他不会跟你客气的。
他不会跟你客气。
对，他就。
We just finished our lunch, and I wanna teach you a lesson. One of the things, as you can see, I have 2 cigarettes here. The reason why I have them, I don't smoke, by the way. So sometimes when people offer you cigarettes here in China, you don't say no, I don't want, thank you. So the thing is, what I've learned is, if someone offers you cigarettes, you take it and then you recycle it. So in other words, you give it to someone else. So if you want to make a friend, you give them cigarettes. And that is the best way to make friends with anyone. I'm gonna take these ones and I'm gonna give it to someone else who smokes, because I don't. That is a very important lesson, so remember that, especially in China. Always take cigarettes, that's the best way to make friends. We're gonna explore for a bit with our 2 little friends while they are playing. I can see if I can show you something nice in this little village. No, what is going on? I lost control of the plane. Captain, our plane is going down. Mayday, our plane is going down. No!
Why you get alone?
I don't know, he gave it to me.
你给喝酒，他收了这么多烟。
On this side you see all of the beautiful lovely houses and the mountains in the background. Wow, so beautiful, so beautiful. And when you look on this side over there, I don't know if you can see it, it's really far away, but then you can see all of the factories over there. They are busy on their fishing expedition. After our eventful day out, we headed home and we just watched the children play with the fireworks. Seeing their happy and innocent faces brought me so much joy, and it really reminded me that sometimes you just have to unwind, relax, and just act like a child. Enjoy the little things. Enjoy the moment. That is the most important.